Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a pin with text to a chat on the Pinterest app for PC, using the latest update. Whether you want to share inspirational ideas, recipes, or cool DIY projects with your friends, this simple feature makes it super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. If you don't see it on your desktop, just search for Pinterest in your Start menu or Apps list, then launch it. Once the app is open, look over to the left side menu. You'll find several options there, including Home, Today, and of course, Messages. Click on Messages to enter the chat section. This is where all your conversations with friends or followers are stored. Find the chat you want to send the pin to, then click on it to open the conversation window. You'll now see the chat interface with message history and the text input area at the bottom. Next, look for the plus icon located near the message input box. Clicking this icon will bring up different sharing options. From these choices, select the pin option. This allows you to browse or search through pins to find the one you want to share in your conversation. Once you select the pin you want, it will appear right inside your message area, ready to be sent. Before hitting send, you can type a message to go along with the pin. This is perfect for adding a quick comment, explanation, or greeting to personalize your share. When your message looks good, simply click send. The pin and your text will instantly be delivered to the chat recipient. They'll be able to see the pin in the conversation and click on it to explore more. And that's all there is to it. Sending a pin with a message on Pinterest's PC app is quick and straightforward. This new update makes sharing inspiration with your friends easier than ever. Now, you can keep your conversations creative and engaging by sharing pins directly in chats. Thanks for watching.